Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Florida Gardening Planner is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to cultivate a thriving garden in the unique climate of the Sunshine State, offering a structured approach to planning, planting, and maintaining your green space throughout the year, ensuring success even with challenging weather patterns and specific plant needs. Number 5. Best Choice Products 48x24x32-inch Raised Garden Bed. Introducing a raised garden bed designed for ultimate convenience. Its built-in locking wheels allow you to easily move it wherever the sun shines brightest. This planter stands at an ergonomic 32 inches tall. It's ideal for comfortable gardening, eliminating the need to bend or strain. A protective liner keeps the wood in pristine condition and prevents weeds from taking over. Enjoy healthier plants and a longer-lasting planter. Maximize your gardening potential with its spacious design. A convenient built-in shelf provides storage for all your essential garden tools and accessories. Featuring 4 drainage holes, it ensures excess water escapes, preventing root rot and keeping your soil perfectly fresh for optimal plant growth. What we like? This planter offers unparalleled mobility with its lockable wheels, allowing you to easily reposition your garden. Its ergonomic height reduces strain, making it ideal for those who find bending difficult. If you have limited space or want the flexibility to chase the sun, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This planner is designed to help you organize your garden tasks throughout the year, with sections for planting schedules, harvest logs, and notes. It includes helpful tips and information specific to Florida's climate, such as recommended planting times for various vegetables and fruits. The planner features durable pages and a sturdy cover, making it suitable for use in outdoor conditions. Number 4. Best Choice Products 8x2-foot Wooden Raised Garden Bed. Crafted from natural Chinese fir wood, this gardening solution is built to withstand the elements. It's designed to last through every season without discoloring or breaking down over the years. Enjoy a quick and sturdy setup with pre-sanded panels and dovetail joints. They slide together and lock in place with screw-fastened posts, making assembly a breeze. This generous 8-foot garden bed offers ample room for your plants to flourish. An included liner protects the wood from soil, ensuring it stays in excellent condition. Easily separate and sort different types of plants, vegetables, fruits, and flowers. The included middle divider helps you create a beautifully organized garden space. This raised garden bed is the perfect decorative accessory for any front or backyard. It will beautifully complement your grass area or budding garden. With overall dimensions of 96L x 24W x 10H, it provides plenty of space for your plants to thrive and grow. What we like? Constructed from durable Chinese fir wood, this garden bed is built to withstand the elements season after season. The easy assembly with dovetail joints means you'll be gardening in no time. If you're looking for a long-lasting, straightforward gardening solution for your yard, this is an excellent option. What people say. This planner is a great tool for organizing my gardening tasks throughout the year. I love the detailed planting calendar and the space provided for notes on each month. The section on common Florida pests and diseases is very informative and has helped me identify issues in my garden. Number 3. Raised Bed Gardening for Beginners. Dreaming of fresh, homegrown produce? This guide is your first step towards a more sustainable lifestyle. Learn how to grow your own food with ease. Discover the joy of self-sufficiency right in your backyard. We'll show you how simple it can be to cultivate your own healthy food. No experience? No problem. This guide is designed specifically for beginners. We break down everything you need to know to get started. Imagine harvesting your own vegetables and herbs. It's a rewarding experience that brings fresh flavors to your table. Let us help you achieve it. Embark on a journey towards growing your own food sustainably. It's a rewarding path that benefits you and the environment. Start today. What we like? This guide is specifically designed for those new to raised bed gardening, focusing on sustainable practices and achieving self-sufficiency. If you're a complete beginner eager to grow your own food responsibly and reduce your reliance on store-bought produce, this book is your essential starting point. What people say. This planner is designed to help gardeners in Florida with specific planting schedules and tips tailored to the state's unique climate. It includes sections for tracking planting dates, harvest times, and pest management, making it a comprehensive tool for Florida gardening. The planner features detailed information on suitable plants for different Florida regions and seasons, ensuring successful gardening outcomes. Number 2. Beginner's Guide to Home Vegetable Gardening. Dreaming of fresh, homegrown vegetables? This guide makes it easy for anyone to start their own garden. Discover the joy of growing your own food right at home. We break down vegetable gardening into simple, manageable steps. You'll learn everything you need to know, from choosing the right spot to harvesting your first crop. No prior experience needed. Imagine plucking ripe tomatoes or crisp lettuce from your own backyard. This guide empowers you to grow your favorite vegetables with confidence. Enjoy healthier, tastier produce year-round. Get insider tips and tricks from experienced gardeners. We cover essential topics like soil preparation, watering, and pest control. Set yourself up for a bountiful harvest. Embark on a rewarding journey into home vegetable gardening. This comprehensive yet simple guide is your perfect companion. Start cultivating your green thumb and enjoy the freshest ingredients. What we like? This book offers a straightforward approach to growing vegetables right at home, perfect for novice gardeners. It breaks down the process into simple, manageable steps. If you're just starting out and want to easily grow your own fresh vegetables in your backyard or on a balcony, this is the guide for you. What people say. This planner is a great tool for keeping track of your gardening tasks throughout the year. The layout is well organized and makes it easy to plan out your planting schedule. It includes helpful tips and information specific to gardening in Florida's climate. Number 1. Timber Press Guide to Vegetable Gardening in the Southeast. Discover the secrets to a thriving vegetable garden, specifically tailored for the Southeast region. This guide provides expert advice to help you succeed. Navigate the unique challenges and opportunities of gardening in the Southeast. We offer practical tips for every step of your gardening journey. Learn from experienced gardeners who understand the local climate and soil conditions. Get the most out of your harvest with region-specific strategies. From planting to harvesting, this comprehensive guide simplifies the process. Enjoy a bountiful harvest with less stress and more confidence. This is your go-to resource for successful vegetable gardening in the Southeast. Unlock the potential of your garden with proven techniques. What we like? Tailored specifically for the Southeast region, this guide provides expert advice on vegetable gardening in your local climate. It addresses the unique challenges and opportunities of growing produce in this area. If you live in the Southeast and want to maximize your vegetable harvest with region-specific strategies, this book is a must-have. What people say. This planner is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to get serious about their Florida gardening. It covers a wide range of topics, from soil types to pest control, and provides practical advice tailored to our climate. The layout is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it simple to track planting schedules and garden progress. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.